Prasad, physics teacher. Good morning, my dear students. Today I will explain chapter refraction of light at plane surfaces. Today discuss about topics definition of Snell's law and derive the equation n1 sin I is equal to n2 sin R. Let's start the class. Definition of Snell's law. Definition of Snell's law. Okay, the ratio of angle of incidence to the angle of refraction is called Snell's law. Okay, this is definition. I am wrote the definition. See the definition. Definition of Snell's law. The ratio of angle of incidence to the angle of refraction is called Snell's law. Okay, this is definition. It is given by the formula n1 sin I is equal to n2 sin R. Okay, Snell's law formula n1 sin I is equal to n2 sin R. Okay, note n1 is the speed of light in first medium. n1 is the speed of light in first medium. First medium is a rarer medium. First medium is a rarer medium. Okay, n2 is the speed of light in second medium. Speed of light in second medium. Second medium is a denser medium. Denser medium. Okay, after that I is the angle of incidence. I is the angle of incidence. Okay, R is the angle of refraction. R is the angle of refraction. Okay, n1 sin I is equal to n2 sin R. This is Snell's law formula. Okay, this definition, angle of incidence is equal to the angle of refraction is called Snell's law. Okay, this is formula. Okay, next topic, derive the equation n1 sin I is equal to n2 sin R. Okay, derive the equation n1 sin I is equal to n2 sin R. Okay, n1 sin I is equal to n2 sin R. What? This is Snell's law. Snell's law formula. Okay, derive the equation n1 sin I is equal to n2 sin R. Okay, this is horizontal line. This is horizontal line. Okay, here x, here x, here y, here x, here y. Okay, let x and y represent surface separating in first medium and second medium. Okay, first medium is a rarer medium. Second medium is a denser medium. Next one, normal lines. Normal lines. Okay, normal lines mention n. Okay, here also normal lines. N. Okay, now angle of incidence. Angle of incidence. Angle of incidence. After that, angle of refracted. Angle of refracted. Okay, next one also same. Angle of incidence. Angle of incidence. Angle of refraction. Angle of refraction. Write I and R. This one also I and R. Angle of incidency and angle of refraction. Okay, next one. Draw the imaginary line. Draw the imaginary line. Ear to ear. Okay, ear to ear. Okay. Draw the imaginary lines ear to ear, ear to ear. Okay, next one. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. A, B, C and D. Okay, A, B, C is a triangle. A, B, C is a triangle. Next one, A, D, C is a triangle. Okay, next one, BC. BC is a V1. BC is a V1. V1 means speed of light in first medium. V1 is speed of light first medium. Okay, with respect to time. With respect to time. Okay, next one, AD. AD. Okay, AD means V2. AD means V2. Okay, speed of light in second medium. Speed of light in second medium. With respect to time. With respect to time. Okay, let I be the angle of incidency and R be the angle of refraction. The triangle BAC is equal to I. The triangle BAC is equal to I. Okay, after that, the triangle DCA is equal to R. The triangle BAC is equal to I. The triangle DCA is equal to R. I is the angle of incidency. R is the angle of refraction. Next one, BC. BC is equal to V1T. V1T. Okay. AD is equal to V2T. BC is equal to V1T. AD is equal to V2T. Okay. After that, from the triangle BAC sin I means angle of incidency. Sin I is equal to BC by AC. Sin I is equal to BC by AC. Okay, from the triangle DCA sin R is equal to DA by AC. DA by AC. Okay, next, sin I by sin R. Sin I by sin R is equal to sin I what? BC by AC. Right. BC by AC by sin R what? DA by AC. Right. dA by AC. Okay, AC cancel. AC cancel. Write sin I by sin R is equal to BC by DA. BC by DA. Okay, next one sin I by sin R. Sin I by sin R is equal to BC what? Okay, BC what? BC is equal to V1 T. AD is equal to V2 T. BC means V1 T. BC means V1 T by DA is equal DA means V2 T. V2 T. See this one. BC is equal to V1 T. AD is equal to V2 T. Okay, V1 T by V2 T. Okay, T cancel. T cancel. Okay, next one sin I by sin R is equal to V1 by V2. V1 by V2. Okay, since V1 by V2 is equal to N2 by N1. Okay, since V1 by V2 is equal to N2 by N1. Okay, right. Sin I by sin R is equal to V1 by V2. What? N2 by N1. Right. N2 by N1. N2 by N1. Okay. Now, cross multiplication. N1 into sin I. N1 into sin I what? N1 sin I. N1 sin I is equal to N2 into sin R what? N2 sin R. This is derive the equation N1 sin I is equal to N2 sin R. This is the derive the equation N2 sin I is equal to N2 sin R.